f of x is equal, the topic here is composition of functions. So let's do example 4. The definition is right here. F of g of x is f of g of x. So first we need to find f of g of x. So f circle g of x is just f of g of x. And we always start by inside, so we replace g of x by its value. G of x is right here. So this is equal f of g of x is 1 over x squared. Now our input for f is 1 over x squared. This is the input. So f of the input, what do we do with the input? We plug it right here into x. So if we plug it in there, it's going to be 1 over x squared minus 1. Now all you need to do here is one more step. Same denominator. The common denominator is x squared. So this is going to be x squared of x squared. So f of g of x is equal 1 minus x squared over x squared. We're done. Now how do we do g of f of x? Same thing. G of f of x, or g circle f of x, is just g of f of x. So we start from the inside, so it's g of f of x happens to be x minus 1. It's right here. And then how do we do g of x minus 1? Our input is x minus 1. So we need to plug x minus 1. G of x minus 1 means we need to plug x minus 1 into this x. Whoa. Sorry. Into this x. G is right there. So this is going to be equal 1 over x minus 1 squared. Now let's do C. C, we need to find f of g of 1. So just use f of g of x. Where is f of g of x? This is f of g of x. So we need to plug it into each x. Plug it in there and then plug the 1 in there. So f of g of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 squared over 1 squared. And this is 0 over 1, which is 0. Now let's do g of f of 0. So we need g of f of x. Where is g of f of x? G of f of x is right here. So we need to plug a 0 into x. So it's 1 over 0 minus 1 squared, which is 1 over negative 1 squared, which is 1 over 1, which is 1. And that's it for this example.